The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern LaRue County in central Kentucky, northwestern Hart County in central Kentucky, Grayson County in central Kentucky, southern Hardin County in central Kentucky, northeastern Edmonson County in south central Kentucky until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 12:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Elizabethtown to near Litchfield to 20 miles northwest of Brownsville, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elizabethtown, Litchfield, Hodgenville, Clarkson, Upton, Canayville, Sonora, Bonleyville, Cub Run, and Broadford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.